Hi.
You're 39?
Yeah.
Okay, welcome in. When's the big 4-0?
It's next week.
Next week. Okay, so you waited to the last possible second.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay, all right. So some of the packages may or may not be sold out. We're going to take a look. With package number 1, I do have some prerequisite questions. Have you lost control of your bladder yet?
Oh my God, no.
No? Okay. So with package number 1, you are going to get a free pack of Depends because they're going to kind of give you a preview of to what the rest of your life is going to look like.
Do I have to?
You're going to have to use them. I mean, you can use them at night only, but if you don't want to pee on yourself during the day at work, you're probably going to want to use them during the day as well.
Am I working a lot?
Yeah. You have 2 jobs. And you're probably going to have to sell your house and move back in with your parents. Yeah, no. Okay. Package number 2, let's see. Okay, with package number 2, you have 3 cats. I see that you have 2 cats from your 30s, and you're going to actually get another one because the dates that you've been going on have been terrible. So you just decided to get another cat. So you are going to get another cat. You're going to live in a studio apartment though. So yeah, and the rent is going to be astronomical because you can't afford to buy right now. So
Am I going to have any friends?
you're going to have some friends. Yeah, but they're all going to live out of state.
Oh, I don't like
Okay, so we don't want that. We want a social life in the state.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, let's see. Oh, God. Package 3 is sold out. Package 4. Okay, with package 4, you're going to download the dating apps again. You're going to go on 17 dates, and they're all going to be catfish.
Really? Out of 7?
Yeah, none of them are going to be who they say they are. And you're going to find out when you get there. So you're going to leave right away. Yeah. Package 5 is, oh God. Package 5, let me see. Okay, so package 5, you're going to have a steamy affair with your boss. Oh, but then when the affair ends, he's gonna retaliate, and then you're not going to have any proof because you did everything through Snapchat. So you're not going to be able to fight retaliation or anything. Dang. You know what? We might be getting in some more packages tomorrow if you want to try back again. I guess, yeah. The 40s packages are not as good. I thought they'd be better.
Does any package have travel?
Let me see. Do any of them have travel? Let's see. Okay, so the package that we're getting tomorrow, it does have travel.
Okay,
Yeah,
good.
because you're working a second job for an airline, you're going to be able to travel.
Okay.
But you're not going to have anyone to travel with.
I guess that's okay.
Solo travel's fine with you. Okay, but boarding your 3 cats is going to be very expensive. The cats come with every package at this point. Yeah. Do you just want your package of Depends now because I feel like you're leaning towards package 1? Have you started peeing on yourself yet? Okay, so the pee is definitely going to come.